Thursday is 13th of September 2024. This is the expansion of this highway to Papar. They have to expand this highway to Papar to join this Pan Borneo. I think they're creating an extra lane here so the traffic can turn left to join the Pan Borneo. I think here. Okay, so they are now removing my kampung lane to provide for a lane to turn left. So is the other side. They are enlarging the road there, so the road from Pan Borneo can turn left from Putatan side, right there. My area of concern is they have to build a road, a lane above this drain. And they are concreting starting from that far until here. So all this drain will now be underground, and I don't know whether they're laying a slab, structural slab on top of this drain. This is a highway drain, and it's hardly enough to cater for a flood as an open drain. Now it's gonna become square or rectangular shape cross-section tunnel. So it's becoming a tunnel there. I'm not sure whether they have cleaned this drain before they lay a slab on top of it. Otherwise this will be blocked and they will cause extra floods. The other part of the concern is this area here, below here, from here, underneath this here, lots of electricity, power cables, okay, power cables, and telephone cables also got. Some are overlined, some are buried, and alongside, next to that pipe there, is the largest pipe, water supply pipe underneath it. It's a huge 1 meter diameter underground pipe. I forgot the name of the company who laid it, but it's a well laid water pipe. Now if anything happens to the pipe or cables and there's a concrete slab on top, how are they going to repair if there is a cable down below? Are they going to dig the concrete, dig the road? If there's some cables here that gets blown, that's a very interesting future. And we're gonna go and take a closer look. So I got difficulty coming back to my house now. From there, I turn left here to enter our kampung house. And during the construction process, it's a damn inconvenience for us. So all this open drain will disappear and become an underground drain or a tunnel. Very funny. So gonna be, this is one of the road that pandai tukar-tukar, pandai tukar-tukar design, pandai pindah-pindah. Our pipes are also there, and they have to dig this and these other guys' highway, I think, because it's a slope. The factory has moved away. They has taken part of his land, so the fence has been relocated a long time ago. The gates has been recorded. The gate used to be here. Now we're gonna have to dig and rebuild this entrance concrete slab to become a highway slab. So a lot of modification work. Adoy. So that guy is going to be underground. So John Holland pipe is on the grid underneath this. Hey boss, macam tu.
Bos owner kan?
Bukan?
Oh,
Ini ba?
apa?
Bagaimana yang sana ini? Di sebelah kanan saya di John Holland pipe di bawah.
Yang mana satu?
Di sini nih John Holland pipe. I don't know bagaimana engineer dia decided.
Dia mau ubah nanti pergi sebelah itu dia punya pipe tu.
Di bawah tu sekarang tu bos.
Yalah.
Okay, the contractor supervisor just now told me all buried structure here, cables, telephone cables, power cables, and John Holland pipe, as well as a 6-inch water service pipe for all the houses here, will be cut, he said. Cut starting from there. And they will relocate it to the newly acquired land. Tambah ambil tanah orang. So they're gonna divert all the lines here, including the above ground utilities and underground utilities, because they making this into a lay-by turning lane to turn left to join the Pan Borneo. Right? So how long are we going to be without pipes, water pipe, when they relocate all the pipes, all the buried pipes under this location? While the drain will be a tunnel, become a tunnel, which is not really good for the flood mitigation. So they are now concreting above the drain now. So this drain is becoming a tunnel. So the best I could ask the supervisor was, please clean the drain before you lay the slab on top. So it's a concrete slab becoming a road as a lane to turn and join the Pan Borneo. So susah lah ini. So many complicated work, and while they are relocating the pipes, mati lah kami tiada air. And every time they're gonna have to relocate our water supply, this one. And every time dia patut relocate these meters, banyak leaking saja. When we have to spend our own money correcting their work. So this time, if there's water leak, I warn you people, we're gonna sue jabatan and the contractor. So now see, they are starting to dig all those utilities and relocating to the edge there, next to the poor guy's house. That's why they took extra slice of his land, and he has to slice his house to make way for these utilities, and also to relocate all these above ground power cables. So that's gonna be a heck of a job. See, they relocated the underground part there already. So they're gonna have to relocate this all these ugly poles above ground to the edge of the highway. Well, it's okay if you do a proper job with it. So all the utility which they spend millions to install here will have to be relocated. Cuy.
Ambil RM100,000 ni buat bina jambatan. Nah, RM10,000 pergi bina jambatan.
Ambil RM1,000 ni kau buat jambatan.
RM1,000 je?
Siap.